Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to decrypt a PDF file using Power Automate and Logic apps. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to the main Power Automate dashboard where you can create and manage all your workflows. After logging in, look at the left side of your screen and click on the Create option. This is where you'll start building your new automation flow. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow allows you to trigger the automation manually whenever you need it, which is perfect for tasks like decrypting PDF files on demand. Next, you'll see a trigger selection screen. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set this as your starting point. This means you'll be able to run the flow whenever you choose, rather than having it trigger automatically based on a schedule or event. Once you've selected this trigger, click Create to initialize your new flow. Now it's time to add the first action. Click the plus icon to add a new step, then search for Get File Content in the search bar. For this example, we'll be working with SharePoint, so look for the SharePoint connector and click on Get File Content under SharePoint. This action allows you to retrieve the PDF file you want to decrypt from your SharePoint library. In the action settings, you'll need to input your SharePoint site address. This tells Power Automate where to look for your file. Then, in the File Identifier field, click the folder icon to browse your SharePoint folders and locate the specific PDF file you want to decrypt. Select the file to continue. Next, click the plus icon again to add another step. Search for CloudMersive in the search bar. When the results appear, find CloudMersive PDF and click See More to view all available actions. From the expanded list, locate and click on Decrypt and Password Protect a PDF. This is the core action that will handle the decryption process. Now you'll need to configure this action. In the first field, input a valid password for your PDF file. This is the password currently protecting the encrypted PDF. Then, in the second field, click the thunder icon to access dynamic content and select file content from the previous SharePoint step. This passes the actual PDF file into the decryption action. In the third field, input a file name for the decrypted output, such as output.pdf. This will be the name of your newly decrypted file. After configuring the decryption step, click the plus icon once more to add a final action. Search for Create File and click on it. This action will save your decrypted PDF back to SharePoint. Input your SharePoint site address and the folder path where you want to store the file. Then, in the file name field, enter something like output.pdf to name your decrypted file. Finally, in the file content field, click the thunder icon and select output content from the CloudMersive step. This ensures the decrypted PDF content is saved properly. And that's it, your automation is now ready to save and run. You've successfully created a Power Automate flow that decrypts password-protected PDF files and saves them back to SharePoint. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.